Monique Williams, and we're here at my latest listing in Heritage Reserve, a beautiful gated community. This home has 5 bedrooms, and you're gonna wanna hear this, a pool that turns into a spa. Let's go check it out. Welcome, you guys. 3,852 square feet, all yours, with this seamlessly flowing floor plan. The triple glass sliders are actually pocket doors in the back that open out to this gorgeous pool. It heats up to a spa. You've got access to the in-law suite here. That's the bathroom for the in-law suite and the bedroom. Awesome floor plan for multi-generational living. And there's the door to the pool. Would you look at that? All right, and we've got a dine-in kitchen with additional sliders going out to the pool and outdoor kitchen. You'll notice the plantation shutters throughout this home, crown molding, tile throughout the first level. You made it to the owner's suite here. Plenty of space, vaulted ceilings, tray ceilings, tub and shower with a separate wet room for privacy. Walk-in closets, his and her stations. This owner suite was built to please. In addition to the owner suite and in-law suite, there are 3 bedrooms, all generously sized. That's a total of 5 bedrooms, and there's still a bonus room to see. I've been wanting to show you this. This is the theater room, 430 square foot bonus space here. The wonderful thing is that this pool heats and turns into a spa, so Florida winters will bother no one. Have whoever you want over. You can all jump in the pool, have a great time, grill in your outdoor kitchen, and just enjoy the beauty of Florida living year-round. Hey guys, Monique Williams. I knew you guys would love that tour. As beautiful as it looks on camera, it looks even better in person. So schedule your private tour. The number is right here. Text or call me. Come check it out.